Hello everyone, my name is Lani and today I want to tell a story about the fairy and the magic apple. Once upon a time, in a cozy mushroom house, nestled beneath the trees lived a tiny fairy all her own. The tiny fairy, named Lula, had hair as red as a ripe apple, and she loves apples more than anything in the world. But one day, something unexpected happened. All of a sudden, every apple tree she saw had been burned and turned into black, and that made Lula feel very sad. Meanwhile, in other part of the forest, there lived a witch who resided in old tree house. She had purple hair that looked like pretty flowers in bloom. The purple hair witch was an expert in magical potions. This time, she was brewing potion to enhance her powers. But she was missing one crucial ingredient, a magic apple. But after searching for days, all could she find were just ordinary apples. This made Margot frustrated, and she unleashed her anger by burning every apple tree she came across. Lula feels sad, but she didn't give up. She kept looking for the apples that still remained. Day after day, she traveled without stopping. Then one day, she saw a strange tree in the corner of the forest. The strange tree glowed softly, lighting up everywhere around it. Lula approached the tree in amazement. What kind of tree is this? She wondered. Curious, Lula touched it, and suddenly a bright light flashed, making her eyes squint and she heard a loud sounds. Pop! Suddenly a bright red apple appeared near her feet. It was much bigger than any apple she had seen before. Lula gasped in surprise, and she picked it up. Unluckily, Margot suddenly shouted from afar and rushed to her turret. "Give me that apple!" she yelled. But Luna smiled kindly and said, "Oh, but I only have one. I can cut it to pieces and share it with you if you want to," Lula said. Margot harshly refused, and trying to snatch it from her hands. "I must have that apple all to myself," Margot said. Lura refused and saying, "But I found it first." Margot heard this become furious. "I have been looking for that apple. That apple is mine," she shouted and her anger growing. Then she raised her hand high intending to burn Lula with her magic. Suddenly, a loud grumble echoed through the air. The apple tree grew larger and its vines stretched out, wrapping around Margot's body. It dragged her away and vanished without a trace. What just happened made Lula feel very sad and shocked, and she left the place quickly, with an apple in her hand. In the end, Lula cut all the apples into pieces and shared them with one creatures in the forest. She also planted the remaining seed. Later that day, Lula never ran out of apple anymore. Yeah, that's all for my story. Thank you for listening.